Hello family, this is Beverly Black. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing very well. We're gathering in the kitchen today to do another video. Today we're going to be making 2-ingredient biscuits. That's right, babies. We are going to be making 2-ingredient biscuits. So stay tuned. If you want to learn how to make biscuits, or you never made biscuits, or your biscuits are failing you, stay tuned and learn how to do it. Now, for the 2-ingredient biscuits, you will need 2 cups of flour, and I am using White Lily, and you use self-rising. Don't use plain. If you use plain, your biscuits are not going to rise. So you need self-rising flour. It does not matter the brand that you use for your flour, but make sure it is self-rising because it has the baking powder and the salt already in it, so your biscuits can rise. You will need heavy cream, 2 cups of heavy cream, and that is it. I'm going to be making it in my cast iron skillet, and I have my skillet in the oven warming, and you need to set, now I have my oven set at 450 degrees. I have been seeing people have the oven set at 400, at 425, at 475. It depends on your oven. You know how your oven bakes. So I have mine set at 450. They will bake between, I guess, 10 and 15 minutes. But we're going to go ahead and get started. I have the 2 cups of flour, self-rising, already in the bowl, okay? Now, you can also sift this flour. It will make your biscuits a little lighter. You can use a little sifter like this. If you don't have a sifter, anything, any kind of little sifter, see? And put it through. Or you can just take a spoon and just work it around like this, okay? Now, I don't have a biscuit cutter, and what I'm going to be using is this glass right here, okay? I have 1 cup of cream right here, and we're going to start with that. I'll pour out the other cup and have it ready to go. And this is heavy. It has to be heavy whipping cream. Now, for the ones who are just starting out making biscuits and have never made biscuits before, or you're making biscuits and your biscuits don't turn out right, they're hard and they won't rise, or whatever problem you may have, this is an easy way to make some biscuits. And when you're making your biscuits, when you put them in your baking pan, or your whatever you use, your pie pan, your skillet, or whatever you may use, make sure that they're touching each other, because that helps them to be more fluffier than spreading them apart. Okay, now we're gonna put some more. This in here. It's going to be a little loosey. Yes, it will. I'm going to put a tad more flour in here. Okay. Got the rolling pin here. put a little flour on the countertop. Some on this rolling pin. Okay. Now, we're going to put it out so we can roll it. And please don't put in the comments, I need to have gloves on. I know some people will say that. I'm just making this for my immediate family, nobody else. So it's not going to hurt anything. And for you new flour, Lord have mercy, for you new biscuit makers, you're going to enjoy these biscuits. A little more flour. Okay. Now I'm going to get my skillet out of the oven. Okay. You can put these biscuits in a baking sheet if you want to. I just hit that hot skillet. You couldn't see me jump, but I was jumping. Roll them out. Okay. We're getting ready to prepare and to cut them up. Not cut them up, to see. A lot of times you don't have to spray the cast iron if you have seasoned it the way it needs to be. And if you're using the cast iron and you want to put a little spray in it, you can, but you don't have to if it's seasoned right. Okay, I gotta get a little more flour here. Sticky right here. They're coming up pretty. These bits, and let them touch each other. They will be more fluffier by touching each other than spacing them apart. And you can make some biscuits like this. I can't wait for you all to tell me if you tried this recipe and how it is working for you. We are going to have biscuits this evening for dinner, with our dinner rather. A lot of people, I'm gonna take these two out and do them again. Make their biscuits with all-purpose flour, some lard or Crisco, buttermilk. But these, you just use 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And the biscuits are in the pan. Let me put it back. You see them? The biscuits are in the pan, and I'm getting ready to put them in the oven, and I will be back when they are done. The 2-ingredient biscuits are out of the oven. I just took them out, and now we're going to put some butter on the top of them. They are looking good. Here we go. I got some homemade apple butter in the refrigerator. I'm going to sit and put that on these biscuits. Okay. Now for a closer look so you can see them. Look at that. You see them? 2 ingredients. Now, they just came out and they are hot. Woohoo! Yep, that is hot. But I want to break it in 2. Look at there. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, see this? Beautiful. Oh, delicious. You have to try this. Get your bite. Here, help yourself. Get another bite. Oh, they're good. This is a winner here, y'all. Thank you, everybody. Okay, y'all. Thank you, everyone, for coming today. And if you're new to my channel, our channel, please become a part of this family. Hit that red button and subscribe. Leave a comment. Now watch the full video. Watch the full video. Share it out. Sharing is caring. Share it out. Hit that like button and leave a comment below. Oh, I wish y'all could be here and taste this. And I'm not a bread fan, but I'm going to tear these up. Look at that. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are His masterpiece. Be blessed, everybody, and thank you for coming.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing